Hey you guys, what's up? So today we are going to be trying out a new product from Benefit Cosmetics and I am so excited. So if you would like to see what product Benefit Cosmetics has dropped and what we will be trying, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer, Benefit did send me these products to try. Okay, so how adorable is this? This is the Brow Toolbox from Benefit, and it shows you what is inside. We have 2 of the new product, as well as the best-selling 24-hour brow setter. Let's open this up and check out that new product. Inside is our 24-hour brow setter and the new product, which is the Mighty Fine Brow Pen. This is a triple tip pen that mimics the look of hair. It is so cool looking, you guys. Look at that tip. It is like a 3-prong tip, and that is going to really fill in the brows and mimic that natural hair look. It's going to give you a full defined brow. This product is available in 8 shades. Let me just do some hair-like strokes right here so we can see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. I cannot wait to use this on my brow. It is such a fine tip that it's really giving you those hair-like strokes. Wow. I am so excited. And then you can use your 24-hour brow setter to really lock everything in place and tame those unruly little hairs. Okay, so I am just going to hold this straight to the brow and start creating little hair-like strokes. And as you can see, that product is starting to go. So for a little comparison, here is the brow microfilling pen. Here are the teeth on that, compared to the Mighty Fine brow pen. So as you can see, the little prongs or teeth are very thin and hair-like on the new Mighty Fine brow pen, and then on the microfilling they're a little bit thicker. So yeah, both of these products are great, but I am loving this so far. I'm going to zoom you guys a little bit in so you can really see the hair-like strokes that this product does. I also put the darker, I have 2 here. I have 3.75 and 3.5. 3.5, I believe, is a little bit darker than 3.75. At least it looks a little darker to me. But I put that one all throughout the brow so you can kind of see, you know, how it looks like hair-like strokes throughout the brow. So far so good. I am in love with this product. If you have really sparse brows and really want hair-like brows, this product is definitely for you. And I really like how you can turn it on its side and really get a more defined kind of look. Now I'm just going to lock everything into place using that 24-hour brow setter. Here are our brows using the new Benefit Mighty Fine Brow Pen. This is definitely going to become a staple in my brow routine, you guys. The front of my brows are very strange. They never lay how I want them to lay. So this will be great for the front of my brows to make them look a little fuller and make everything look more hair-like. But yeah, I am totally in love with this new product, Benefit. And thank you so much for sending it to me. You guys be sure to go check out and try the new Benefit Mighty Fine Brow Pen. I personally am in love. Thank you so much to Benefit for sending me these products to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.